Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudinku Foodies. Today I'm sharing a simple and delicious energy bars recipe. These grab and go bars check all the boxes. They are easy to make, packed with wholesome ingredients, and perfect for a quick snack on the move. Whether you need a post-workout boost or a healthy treat with your chai or coffee, these bars have got you covered. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So we'll start by roasting the nuts and seeds. For the classic chocolate peanut butter bar, we'll add 1 cup peanuts to a pan and roast them for around 6 to 7 minutes on low to medium heat. For the almond protein bar, we'll add 1 cup almonds to a pan and roast them for 7 to 8 minutes. And for the multi-seed bar, we'll add 1 cup mixed seeds like pumpkin, sunflower, sesame and flax seeds to a pan and roast them for around 4 to 5 minutes. You can replace them with cashews, walnuts, hazelnuts or any other nuts or seeds that you like. Turn off the heat and let them cool for some time. Now into a food processor or blender, add the roasted peanuts, roasted almonds and roasted seeds. And blend them really well to make smooth and creamy butters. This process takes some time, so pause in between, scrape down the sides whenever necessary, stir the mixture and continue blending till the mixture starts releasing oil and turn into smooth and creamy paste like these. Now for the chocolate peanut butter bar, we'll add 2 teaspoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/3 cup oats, and 1/2 cup chopped dates. Blend them really well till everything is nicely combined. The chocolate peanut butter bar mixture is ready. For the almond protein bar, add 1/2 cup chopped dates and 1 scoop of protein powder, which is around 1/3 cup of whey protein. Give it a good blend till everything is well combined. For the multi-seed bar, we'll add 1/2 cup chopped dates and 1/3 cup of oats. Blend it really well till everything is nicely combined. Now we'll transfer the peanut butter chocolate mixture into a parchment paper lined square pan. Similarly, we'll transfer the almond protein mixture and multi-seed mixture as well to a parchment paper lined pan. Using a spoon, press down the mixture firmly and evenly. Sprinkle some dark chocolate. Here I've used 70% dark chocolate and chopped it into small pieces. Using a spoon, press them into the mixture gently. Now place the pan into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or till it firms up nicely. Now for the almond protein bar, I am adding some flaked almonds on top. Using a spoon, press the flaked almond into the mixture and keep the bar mixture into the fridge to set for 2 to 3 hours. I'm keeping the multi-seed bar simple. If you want, you can top it up with some desiccated coconut, raisins, dried berries or chocolate chips if you like. Now that the bars have firmed up nicely, it's time to cut them. Transfer them to a chopping board and slice them into equal sized bars. And enjoy these easy peasy, wholesome, delicious energy bars. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these healthy and tasty energy bars recipe and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.